Hey friends, Miss Lynn here. I wanted to talk to you about your estimation assignment for today because I noticed that in Monday's estimation assignment, a lot of people were calculating the exact answer. The purpose of this assignment is to help you either round the numbers or use compatible numbers to come up with an estimate that's good enough and that gives you a sense of whether or not your real answer is reasonable if you were to go ahead and solve it for the exact answer. That's the purpose of estimation. So when I look at your work, I'm not looking to see an exact answer. I'm looking to see if you are able to either round the numbers or use compatible numbers to come up with an estimate. In addition, I'm looking to see whether or not you were able to build the numbers using the place value discs. So for example, when we look at 5 and 5/10, I would want to see 5 of these orange ones discs. Oh dear, I think it's going to try to, yeah. Sometimes when I click something wrong, it thinks that I'm trying to look up the number in the dictionary. Okay, so I want to see 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I want to see 5 of the yellow tenths discs. Now you can round this number to 6. That would be a good way to estimate. Then we're going to build 5 and 2/10. And I would probably just round that one to 5. So my estimate is going to be, well, let me not hop to that quite yet. Now I'm going to build 5 and 2/10. So I want to see 5 of these ones discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's okay with me. They don't have to be perfect. You don't need to make your, you don't need to line them up in a perfect little line. That doesn't really matter to me. 1, 2. Okay, so 2/10 of those. So the purpose of this, the reason I like this activity is it gives you a sense that your sum should be not bigger than a certain amount, if that makes sense. I don't know if that's a good way to say it. I'll have to think of a better way to say it. But it's kind of the idea that when you calculate your exact answer, if you are really, really far off from 11, which is our estimate, then your answer probably isn't right. Okay? And we can see that when we built our numbers, we have 5 ones to begin with, and then we added another 5. So that would get us to 10, and then we would regroup these to get us close to 11. I don't know if I explained that well. That's the purpose of estimating. So like for this one, you could round 1 8/10 to 2, and then I would just leave 2 the way it is. And so your estimate is going to be somewhere close to 4. And then I would want you to build 1 8/10. So I'm going to have one of these discs in the ones place here. There goes my dictionary again. And then 8 of these little tenths discs. Okay. And then 2 more of my ones. Moving on, 3 1/10 plus 4 2/10. So we can round those. Let's just do 3 and 4. So our answer should be close to 7, and then build. That's all you have to do for this activity. Okay? Don't make it harder than it has to be. Now for this one, you have to think about if you want to round up or down to the nearest whole number to come up with your estimate and then build the numbers. And that's all I'm checking. I'm checking for estimates, not exact answers. All right, bye guys. Let me know if you have any questions.